Love. We talk about it, we sing about it, we dream about it. But how many of us truly understand what it is? Love is not always fireworks and butterflies. It is not just poetry and passion. Love is raw. Love is real. Love is truth. And sometimes the truth hurts. There is a beauty in love that words can barely explain. It's in the way someone smiles at you with their eyes, the warmth of a hand that doesn't let go, the silence that says, "I'm here, I'm not leaving." Love is the strength to sacrifice, the courage to stay, the joy in watching someone grow, even if it's without you. It's waking up and knowing someone somewhere is thinking about you. It's the good mornings that feel like sunshine, the good nights that feel like shelter. Love heals, love lifts, love reminds you that you matter. Even in a broken world, love teaches us how to feel whole again. But love also has a dark side, the side we don't sing about, the nights of crying into pillows, the questions that go unanswered, the texts left on read, the calls that never come. Love can betray. Love can hurt deeper than hate because it comes from a place we trusted. It's the pain of being forgotten by someone you can't forget, the ache of holding on to someone who already let go. Love can make you doubt yourself, wonder if you were ever enough. It's heavy, it's confusing, it's silent sometimes. And silence can be louder than screams. But that too is the truth of love. Bear it. And yet, we keep loving. Why? Because deep down, we know that love, real love, is still worth it. We believe because we've seen the power it holds. We've seen it bring peace to broken souls, light to dark minds, and hope to tired hearts. We love because it is our nature. Because no matter how many times we fall, some part of us still believes we will rise in the arms of someone who sees us. Real love is not easy. It's not perfect, but it's patient. It endures. It listens when it doesn't understand. It stays when things get messy. True love is showing up even when the world tells you to give up. It is staying present in the storms, being a calm in their chaos. To love is to suffer sometimes, but it is also to conquer. When you choose love every day, even on days when you don't feel like it, you become stronger, you become real, you become love. So here's the truth about love. It's not always beautiful, it's not always painless, but it's always powerful. If you've ever loved and lost, you know it still taught you something. If you're still waiting for love, know that it begins with how you love yourself. And if you're lucky enough to be loving now, hold on, because even broken love is better than empty silence. This is the truth of love.